For how scary a crash this was for Jerry Martin in Detroit, you have to say that probably the best outcome came from it. One, only concussion. Two, no broken bones, no, dislocated shoulders, nothing lingering or nothing that is a serious injury. But even though this has been a couple weeks with the break, he is still going to be taking this week off as far as Club MX has said. Doing some training this week. He still shows some signs of the concussion, which obviously, concussions are one of those things that can be lingering, can be just a pain in the absolute ass. And it probably is a smart idea for him to take the time off and to heal, especially at this point in his career. He's not really the young upstart guy who has to prove himself. He's a proven entity in this sport. And, being older, probably smart to take the time and heal fully. But sadly, we won't be seeing him in Arlington. And it's a good thing. I mean, honestly, he's very lucky to get out of that crash the way he did. One, landing back into a whooped and, hurt his neck, his back, didn't get hit by the bike behind him. Nothing, no broken bones, no anything, just a lingering concussion is, while annoying and probably not very fun, a good at least you know what's going on. It's just take a week, heal up a little bit more, and then come back for Daytona. So I'm excited. Hopefully Daytona will be cool. Good. Hopefully he does get fully healed and get some training in this week, and he'll be fast in Daytona. But in the comments below, you guys tell me if he does come back for Daytona. Where do you think he finishes? Are you excited for Daytona? Because obviously it is the outlier of the Supercross year with the kind of motocrossy side of it and everything. And whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.